What is idealism? Idealism is the view that reality is fundamentally mental, not material. According to idealists, the mind, consciousness, or ideas are more basic than physical objects. In simple terms, idealism suggests that what we experience as the external world is shaped, structured, or even created by the mind. This idea goes all the way back to ancient philosophy. One of the earliest thinkers associated with idealism is Plato. He argued that the physical world is not the most real level of existence. Instead, true reality lies in abstract, perfect forms such as beauty, justice, or equality, which exist beyond the material world. What we see around us, Plato claimed, are imperfect copies of these ideal forms. Centuries later, idealism was developed further by philosophers like George Berkeley. Berkeley famously argued that to be is to be perceived. In his view, objects do not exist independently of perception. A tree, for example, exists because it is perceived by a mind. If no human is looking at it, Berkeley believed it still exists because it is perceived by God. Another major figure in idealism is Immanuel Kant. Kant did not deny the existence of an external world, but he argued that we can never know it as it truly is. According to him, our minds actively shape reality through concepts like space, time, and causality. What we experience is not raw reality, but reality as filtered through the structure of the human mind. Idealism comes in many forms, but they share a common idea. The mind is not just a passive observer of reality. It plays an essential role in creating meaning and experience. This challenges the common-sense belief that the world exists exactly as it appears, independent of us. Why does idealism matter today? Because it influences how we think about consciousness, knowledge, science, and even artificial intelligence. Questions about perception, reality, and the nature of experience are still deeply shaped by idealist ideas. In the end, idealism invites us to rethink a simple assumption. Is the world made of matter first, or of mind?